Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra not charging. So, if you're having some problems here with your, in this case, your Roborock here, well, there are a few things here that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to make sure that your Roborock vacuum cleaner or your robot vacuum here is actually cleaned and well maintained. So in this case, you may want to go to the undersides here and just make sure that the robot vacuum is clean, so no hairs, lint, or any like dirt visible in them. And also, you may want to clean the actual station here. So if you're not aware yet, at the very back here, there are going to be some contact points that you may want to clean. So you may want to consult with or check your manual here so to see what the actual contact points actually look like. But you want to make sure that both your robot vacuum and your station here is properly maintained and they are clean. Now sometimes the contact points may be dirty, so that's why it's not charging properly. Now also, you may want to use or you want to plug your station here directly into the power outlet. Now if you're using a extension cord, just make sure that it's providing enough power. Now, just to test this out, you may want to move this to a different location and plug it directly into a power outlet and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually work, the last thing that you may want to do here is you may want to do a factory reset. Now, sometimes there might be some glitches inside your vacuum here. That's why it's not charging properly. So perform a hard reset and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually work, the best and last thing you could do is just reach out to Roborock support here and see what are your options here. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.